and it's fine. It's got the color that we want it to have. Now, for this corn holiday sauce. Look at this. It's creamy, it's silky. There's no egg and butter. It's got incredible flavor. It's totally satisfying. And I like to just top it off with a paprika. Give it a nice little top. Look at that. You are going to love this. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, no hearty breakfast is complete without some kind of potato, and everybody has had home fries, and of course they're usually like cooked in too much oil, I think, and way too much salt. So let's come up with a much healthier version of what we can do. Starting with our potatoes. Let's have some fun. There are all kinds of great potatoes out there.
What happened?
A red potato. Look at these beautiful purple potatoes. And I love these Yukon potatoes. Now, first up is this beautiful sweet potato. These are actually garnet yams, but we always call them sweet potatoes. And what I have